In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft Planner to Microsoft Teams. This straightforward process will help you seamlessly integrate your group task management into your team collaboration space, making coordination more efficient and organized. Whether you're managing a small project or coordinating tasks across a large team, Microsoft Planner can be a valuable tool to keep everything on track. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and type Microsoft Teams into the search bar. This will guide you to the official Microsoft Teams website. Once you see it in the search results, go ahead and click on it to open the link. From here, you will find yourself on the Microsoft Teams login page. If you're not already logged in, use your Microsoft account credentials to access your Teams environment. Once you've successfully logged into Microsoft Teams, direct your attention to the Teams section in the application. You'll want to locate the specific channel within your team where you'd like to add Microsoft Planner. Channels are the individual threads within your team workspace where ongoing conversations and tasks are organized around specific topics or projects. Now that you're in the desired channel, look towards the top of the channel interface. You'll find a small plus sign, often referred to as the Add tab button, positioned here. Clicking this plus sign opens up a new window that allows you to add various applications and features to enhance your team's functionality within the channel. In this new window, there's a search bar at the top. Here, you'll want to type Planner. This will yield results from which you can select Microsoft Planner. Click on it to proceed with the integration into your channel. After selecting Planner, you'll be faced with an option to either create a new plan or use an existing one within the team. Choosing the first option will allow you to start fresh with new tasks and assign them accordingly, while selecting an existing plan lets you integrate previously established tasks directly into the channel. Consider your team's needs to decide which option suits best. Once you've made your choice, all that's left to do is to click the Save button. This action will officially add the Planner tab to your chosen channel, making it visible at the top alongside other tabs. Now, your team can easily access and manage tasks directly in Microsoft Teams, streamlining collaboration even further. And there you have it. You've successfully added Microsoft Planner to your Microsoft Teams channel. By following these steps, you've improved your team's ability to coordinate tasks and manage projects directly within their collaboration hub. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you find this integration as useful and convenient as so many others have.